Okay, so we have here a posture view. As you can see, my right shoulder is lower than the left. Here's a side view, and we'll be doing a left sideline rib cage shift in order to really expand that right chest wall and get my right shoulder up higher. So I get positioned, pull my ribs down and back, tuck my bottom, pull the left part of my rib cage up off the floor. I start with a big exhale, everything out, empty the tank. Hold what I have with the abdominals and really breathe into that right chest wall. Then exhale again and just repeat the process, gaining more abdominal tension each time and really breathing again into that right chest wall to inhibit the right lat. I then stand up and show a quadruped version of this. So I come down and I'll offset the knees. So my right knee will be behind the left. Then I'll reach the right arm out in front, really trying to inhibit that lat. Most of my weight is in the left hand and left knee. My bottom is tucked underneath me. I exhale, everything out, feel the left abs. Silent inhale through the nose and reach with the right arm. Exhale everything out, feel the abdominals. Hold what I have each time I'm reaching. And here we can just see test, retest. Right shoulder is about even after just those two exercises.